The Life Cycle of Single-Use Plastic by Leanna Farmer. Sourcing. Drilling and pumping oil is then sent to the oil plant. In the process of sourcing oil, refineries cause air pollution and reduce the air quality of the area they are in. Drilling for the oil causes loss of habitat damage caused by fracking the water. The force into the cracks to break apart the shell has been linked to earthquakes in most oil-rich states. Manufacturing. From the oil plant, it is then sent to a chemical plant to be refined into plastic granules. During the process of refining plastic granules, there is what they call pellet spillage, which is one of the leading causes of plastic pollution globally. Chemical plants can cause water pollution by leaking wastewater into the streams. Fabrication. From the chemical plant, it is then sent to the plastic fabrication factory, where they use plastic granules to produce products such as plastic bottles, plastic shopping bags, plastic ware, forks, spoons, and knives, plastic cups, six-pack rings, plastic rings that go on six-pack cans. Distribution. From the factory, it is then shipped using cargo ships and tractor trailers. The shipping process pollutes both air and water. Consumption. After being distributed to stores across the country, consumers like you and I will purchase the plastic products. Some products can be reused repeatedly to keep them from being sent to landfills. End of life. After being consumed, plastic is in its so-called end of life phase, and it is time to decide what to do with it. You can choose the options of recycling so that it can be remanufactured to make more plastic items, reducing the need for oil refining to get materials to produce new granules. Most often, plastic is discarded into trash, recyclable, and sent to landfills in which plastic will stay for hundreds of years. There are some who are either lazy or could care less about the environment who chooses to litter. End of life continue. Another option is for plastic to be sent to an incinerator, which will provide recovered energy that can be used for manufacturing or remanufacturing plastic items. There is also landfill mining to mine for plastic so that it can be recycled and reused for new plastic items. Life cycle of single-use plastic.